So I'm here this morning with the McKay twins. The boys are from Reefton here, long time identities. They were shifting a bit of wood here on the side of the road, and they were telling me that it comes from down where we used to live at Jimmy Lawns there. Stephen, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know about that tree?
Well, Jimmy planted that years ago. It's blown down in the wind. It's getting a bit of free firewood. It's an ill wind that doesn't blow something any good.
It's true.
And we got his tractor in there that he used to cut firewood.
So when I was a boy, Jimmy bought a brand new tractor, and it was a Massey Ferguson 35, as I remember it. And Nigel, it's here in the shed.
It's in the shed, yeah, and we learned to drive on it, and we used to travel on the back with Jimmy all around his paddocks, and when we gave him a hand to fence, the railway fence along the railway to the railway bridge.
Lovely. So we can get it out and make it go?
Yep.
Beauty, let's do that.
Got water. Petrol oil water. No, it's a diesel, but the old days in the war it was always PAW. If you didn't check the petrol oil water, you could be a PAW.
You're right.
Everything in neutral. Turn the Fergie always remembered Jimmy's one, and we were walking past the golf course to see Brian Hampton one day, and we just looked in, and here's this one there. We said, shit, is that for sale? He said, well, not really.
Yeah.
But they're 135ers, and we said, well, we don't want that. He said, well, I'll tell you what I'll do. You can have this one for sale, and we'll keep the other one. So we bought this one and done it up.
Lovely. So you've done all the panel repairs and things like that for it?
We got a chap to do the spray painting and cut the rust out.
Yep.
And we put the new brakes and that on it, and took everything to bits and cleaned her and put her all back together.
Lovely. Yeah.
We pulled all the lights to bits and put them back together, painted inside that. We got a new pre-cleaner. We got a new steering wheel. We got a new seats on here, brand new seats on there, a new holy bar at the back, and a new 3-pin linkage. So we built that. That was for the original tractor we bought off the golf course, our little TEA.
Yeah.
And that's off a mine box from Mount Dauntless.
That's okay.
So we built that so it's a wee bit narrow. It sits inside the wheelbase of this.
Lovely.
In the Christmas parade in Reefton, towing floats.
Yes.
And we use it and take it down to the AMP show just as a display.
Yes.
And just use it around the yard here, really.
Right.
Yeah.
And you've got it on Trade Me at the moment. She's taken up room in your shed, hey?
Yeah. It's going to be another machine take its place,
Yeah. So what do you got coming in?
A Model A 2-door,
Have you?
1929.
Lovely.
Yep.
Now, I also see you've got another old vehicle in the back of the shed there, an old...
Chev.
Old Chevy, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't belong to us. It belongs to Daryl Latham's daughter and its husband, Nick Harrison. And no, it's only be storage there for him, and we drive it around.
You keep it going?
Yeah, keep it going, keeps it warm.
So,
yeah, just you do that, but I'll just check the water first. There's water over there, you might get enough out of it.
So what is this old girl here?
It's 1926 Chev 4.
Yes.
Altera.
She's in good nick, hey? Someone's really looked after her.
Well, it's been an old family farm car runabout. You've got to check the oil. She's got a new oil system in it. I used to do it every time, and then you make sure.
So Steve, you're saying that this is pre-oil pump, you know, so the...
Yeah, just it's got a felt on top of the overhead gear, and it's got its own oil can that fits in there. But we take it out because the heat off the manifold heats us up and pushes the oil out the top, and you get clouds of smoke around you. So just give these overhead gear this felt a bit of soaking, and it works its way through, lubricates the top rocker gear, and then drops off and lubricates the push rods, and then she's onto the ground. But it doesn't really leak a lot onto the ground.
Yes. So you can, how far can you go before she needs re-oiling as such?
Just till when you hear it squeak, it could go
Yeah.
probably 100 miles.
Yes, yeah.
But we just give it a little bit just to make sure.
Oh, I see. She looks like a dipstick. Yes, there it is.
And you know how much is in it. Usually you dip it before you go, but you have it out yesterday.
We're lucky in Reefton, there's not much